Brightline West is one of the most exciting high-speed rail projects in the United States, designed to connect Las Vegas and Southern California with a fast, modern, and eco-friendly train service. This project will change the way people travel between Los Angeles and Las Vegas, two of the busiest travel destinations in America, by offering a smooth, safe, and comfortable alternative to cars and short-haul flights. The Brightline West train will run at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, making the journey between Las Vegas and the Los Angeles area in about 2 hours. Today, this trip can take 4 to 6 hours by car, especially on busy weekends and holidays. With Brightline West, passengers will save time, avoid traffic, and enjoy a stress-free travel experience. The route will stretch for around 218 miles, following the Interstate 15 corridor. Major stations are planned in Las Vegas, Victor Valley, and the Rancho Cucamonga area, where passengers can easily connect to Metrolink and other local transport services. From there, travelers will be able to reach downtown Los Angeles and other parts of Southern California without needing a car. Inside the train, passengers will experience a luxury airline-style environment. The coaches will feature wide, comfortable seats, free Wi-Fi, power outlets, large windows, and plenty of legroom. There will be different travel classes, including premium seating for business travelers who want extra comfort and privacy. Onboard food and beverage service will offer fresh meals, snacks, and drinks, making the journey enjoyable from start to finish. Brightline West is also an environmentally friendly project. By shifting millions of travelers from cars and planes to electric high-speed trains, it will significantly reduce carbon emissions and help fight climate change. The train will run on clean electric power and is designed to be one of the most sustainable transport systems in North America. Construction is planned to begin in 2025, with the first passenger services expected around 2028. Once completed, Brightline West will create thousands of jobs, boost tourism, and strengthen the economic connection between Nevada and California. It will also set a new standard for high-speed rail in the United States, proving that modern bullet train technology can succeed in America. Brightline West is not just a train project, it is a vision for the future of travel. Fast, green, comfortable, and reliable, it will redefine how people move across the American West and inspire many more high-speed rail projects across the country.